If you've ever opened a photo in Photoshop and thought, why does this look so blurry? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry photos in Photoshop using one of the most powerful AI features available. This method is especially useful for moderate to heavy blur, and it can help bring back details in faces, skin, text, and old photos much faster than trying to sharpen everything manually. And if you want more easy Photoshop tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's jump in. First, open Photoshop and load the blurry image you want to improve. The key here is to start with the best version of the file you have, because even though Photoshop's AI tools are impressive, they still work better when the source image has at least some usable detail. Once your image is open, go to the top menu bar and click Filter, then choose Neural Filters. This is where Photoshop keeps its cloud-driven AI tools, including some of the newest restoration and sharpening options. After Neural Filters opens, look through the restoration category or the full list of filters for the updated photo restoration or sharpen modules. Depending on your version of Photoshop, the exact name may vary slightly, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the AI-based filter that can intelligently analyze the image and reconstruct details instead of simply increasing contrast around edges like a basic sharpen tool would. If this is your first time using the filter, you may need to click the small cloud icon to download the latest model updates. Once the filter is available, toggle it on. Photoshop will then begin loading the AI model, and this may take a few moments the first time. That's completely normal. After it activates, you'll start seeing the controls that let you fine-tune the restoration. Now comes the important part, adjusting the fix. Start with the Photo Enhance slider and slowly increase it until the image begins to regain clarity. Don't rush this step. A small adjustment can make a huge difference, and if you push it too far, the image can start to look unnatural or over-processed. If the photo contains people, use the Enhance Face slider as well. This helps Photoshop detect facial features and rebuild them more intelligently, which is especially useful for portraits that have soft focus or motion blur. If the image is an older photo and the blur is mixed with grain, scratches, or digital noise, bring up the Scratch Reduction slider. This helps clean up the image while the AI works on restoring detail. It can make the final result look much smoother and more polished, especially for scanned photos or low-quality images that have been saved and resaved over time. As you make these changes, watch the preview carefully. Photoshop will update the image and show you how the AI is interpreting the details. The goal is not to make the photo look artificially sharp. The goal is to make it look clear, believable, and restored. So keep your adjustments balanced. If the face starts to look too smoothed out, back the slider down a bit. If the details are still too soft, increase the enhancement slightly until you get a natural result. Before you apply anything, make sure you set the output option at the bottom to New Layer or Smart Filter. This is really important because it keeps your edit non-destructive. That means you can go back later, lower the effect, or fine-tune it without permanently changing the original image. For photo restoration work, non-destructive editing is always the safer choice. Once everything looks right, click OK. Photoshop will process the image and apply the AI restoration based on the settings you chose. Depending on the size of the file and the amount of blur, this may take a little time, but once it's finished, you should notice a much clearer and more detailed image. If needed, you can then zoom in and inspect the results closely. Sometimes a blurry photo needs a second pass or a little extra manual touch-up, especially around the eyes, edges, or text. But in many cases, this Neural Filters method gives you a huge improvement in just a few clicks. So that's how you fix blurry photos in Photoshop using the AI, Photo Restoration, and Sharpen engine. It's one of the fastest ways to recover detail from soft or out of focus images, and it's perfect when you want a cleaner result without spending hours manually sharpening everything. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.